This is a train at Burns Park Funland, and it is pretty fun. Okay, your favorite character is Tenno. Okay, here we go.
Well, then also won't they like rest?
This is really nice that they turned the amusement park that costs money into a free place, and the train still goes around it.
I might need it.
They added a water element, and it's pretty well thought out. Other than there's one area we'll get to that scares the hell out of me. That you can well, talk about it when we get there. But they have you could rent one of the little eating areas. Like we're going to pass by one right now where people have birthdays. There's the birthday. So the one that I think is scary is that one where they climb up like a maze of ladder, and it's only as high, I feel like, as far as Sean fell. It's like it's higher than Sean fell. And so it kind of makes me mad, like that they said that he fell that far, so he's got to, like, even though he didn't think he was hurt that bad, he had to stay at the hospital, and they weren't even going to give him a hearing to, like they're supposed to. But anyways, all roads lead back to UAMS. Denying people their constitutional rights to bodily autonomy. This is one of the better things in North Little Rock. We're in Little Rock. It's a nice little play area. Another birthday party. Oh, I guess we go around twice. I like that they kept the train, because it kind of gives a boundary line to the park, so like kids know not to go out of that boundary. It keeps a boundary line so that the kids know not to like leave that area, and it's shady, and it's I like it. I'm glad they don't charge for it. Like it would be kind of.
Well, they got rid of everything else.
It got torn up in the tornado.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, the whole park was torn up. I'm surprised there's as many trees as there are. I don't know if they planted the trees after the tornado, or these are the ones that just survived, huh? Yeah, but I'm sure they lost a lot of them. The park was bare?
Yeah, that and the forest.
Yeah? Oh.
Like that area has not recovered.
Oh, it's like that area across the street, past the parking lot over there? Yeah, that's where that got hit the hardest. everybody will remember to have healthy snacks for kids, like fruit and fruit juice. I could barely get out of this thing.
No, that's the exit.
It's not for fat old ladies, that's for sure. Not for me. Oh well. Anyways, that's the train at Burns Park Funland.